Nondo mar riwruok mochune kao pacho ganda mongere ni Infotrak oyango ni atamalo 54 mag oganda Jokenya ywago pek mar ngima. Atamalo 36 ywago nok matije, katamalo 26 ywago ng'eny kata mibadhi motiape pacho ka. Nondo bende yango ni atamalo 54 mag Jokenya onge kod yie gi duol matayo yiere pacho ka IEBC etimo yiero man thuolo kendo ma uyanga. Nondo no bende yango ni kwan atamalo 37 mag Jokenya onge kod yie kod od bura mamalo. Kwan atamalo 33 onge kod yie e doho ka kwan atamalo 1 kende ema nigi yie kod piny owacho ma pacho ka.
Percentage on responses, or you really focus on the youth? Majority of Kenyans are very concerned about the high cost of living. 51% mention cost of living as their key issue of concern. 36% of Kenyans mention unemployment. And 24% of Kenyans mentioned corruption. Overtaxation was mentioned by 23% of Kenyans. The issue of migration from NHIF to SHIF and SHA was mentioned by 23% of Kenyans. Most Kenyans, 60% of Kenyans, don't have confidence in IEBC to conduct free and fair elections in 2027, predominantly because of lack of transparency. 47% mentioned that there are corrupt officials within the IEBC. And then another 47% said, well, in the past, there have been irregularities. And because of those past irregularities, they do not have confidence in the IEBC. 30% of Kenyans do not trust the judiciary at all. 28% of Kenyans do not trust the Senate at all. 37% of Kenyans do not, respectively, so 37% do not trust the executive, that is the president, his deputy, and the cabinet. And another 37% of Kenyans do not trust the National Assembly.